Welcome back to RZ Auto Cars. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated 2025 BYD Seagull, one of the most affordable and efficient electric cars in the market. If you're looking for an EV with great range, modern technology, and an unbeatable price, this one might just be the perfect choice for you. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car reviews, test drives, and comparisons. Now, let us get into it. The BYD Seagull features a modern, futuristic design with sharp LED headlights, an aggressive front fascia, and a sporty stance. The aerodynamic shape enhances efficiency while giving it a stylish edge. It comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, sleek side mirrors, and a floating roof design that adds to its appeal. At the back, you get a connected LED tail light strip, a high-mounted brake light, and a sporty bumper that gives it a dynamic look. Available in multiple vibrant colors, the Seagull is designed to attract young drivers and city commuters looking for an affordable electric vehicle. Stepping inside, the 2025 BYD Seagull offers a clean, minimalistic cabin with a futuristic touch. The floating dashboard is dominated by a 12.8-inch rotating touchscreen infotainment system, supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and BYD's latest D-Link software. The digital driver's display provides real-time information, including range, speed, and navigation. The steering wheel is flat-bottomed, giving a sporty feel, while the climate control system features a sleek, touch-sensitive panel. Despite being a compact car, it offers comfortable seating for 4 adults, with well-cushioned fabric or synthetic leather seats. The rear seats fold down to expand the cargo area, making it practical for daily use. Now, let us talk about performance. The BYD Seagull is powered by a 45 kW 60 HP electric motor, offering instant torque and smooth acceleration. It's available with 2 battery options, 30 kWh LFP battery with a 190-mile 305 km range. 38 kWh LFP battery with a 252-mile 405 km range. Thanks to BYD's Blade battery technology, the Seagull ensures safety, longevity, and fast charging capabilities. With DC fast charging, you can go from 30% to 80% in just 30 minutes, making it a great option for city driving and occasional long trips. On the road, the BYD Seagull delivers a smooth, quiet, and efficient ride. The light steering and compact dimensions make it perfect for navigating tight city streets, while the suspension system ensures a comfortable drive. The car offers 3 driving modes: Eco mode for maximum efficiency, Normal mode for balanced performance, Sport mode for quicker acceleration. The regenerative braking system enhances efficiency by recovering energy while slowing down, extending the battery range. Safety is a priority in the 2025 BYD Seagull. It comes equipped with automatic emergency braking AEB, lane departure warning LDW, adaptive cruise control ACC, blind spot monitoring BSM, rear parking sensors and camera. BYD ensures the Seagull meets high safety standards, making it a reliable choice for daily commuting. One of the biggest selling points of the BYD Seagull is its affordable price. In China, it starts at around 9,700 for the base model and 13,000 for the long-range version. Compared to rivals like the Wuling Bingo, Dacia Spring, and Tata Tiago EV, the Seagull offers better technology, longer range, and a more premium feel. It's an excellent choice for those looking for an entry-level EV without breaking the bank. So, should you buy the 2025 BYD Seagull if you're looking for a budget-friendly, feature-packed, and efficient electric car? This is one of the best options in its category. With a modern design, advanced technology, and impressive range, It's perfect for city drivers who want an affordable EV without compromising on quality. That wraps up our in-depth review of the 2025 BYD Seagull. What are your thoughts on this affordable EV? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from RZ Auto Cars. Stay tuned for more car reviews, comparisons, and test drives. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.